forward what to do to them again. This is your idea for the ML.
The purpose of our visit this morning is to sensitize the state government on the recruitment into the Nigerian Army system. As you are aware, as part of the federal character, every state of the federation, including Abuja, is represented equally in our recruitment exercise. And in every state, we have a recruitment center where the recruitment is being done. And my office and that of the recruitment coordinate those activities. Of recent, we have observed a decreased number of young men and women who joined the army from some states, most especially from the south-south, southeast, and some southwestern states. That is why the Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahya, in his wisdom, and in order for us to bridge the gap in this recruitment exercise, directed that we should go around some of these states where we notice low turnout of their citizens into the Nigerian Army. And Rivers State falls into that category. Of course, there are other states like Bayelsa and Delta, which we are also visiting. As we are visiting the South-South, we also have a team who are visiting Southeast and also Southwest, trying to sensitize the citizens on the need for them to join the Nigerian Army. For Rivers State, we have noticed decrease of turnout from, let me just begin at the recent, that is 81 regular recruit intake, started going down to 82 regular recruit intake. And we observed the last recruitment we did, which was that of 83 regular intake. Out of the 120 that Rivers State was supposed to bring, we have only 83 that were able to scale through. And that is the source of concern for the Nigerian Army. And the reasons are simple. Because as we are recruiting, the federal character are there. And they are also monitoring to see that that constitutional provision is being made. But the army is handicapped because the citizens are just not coming forward to be recruited. We have opened the portal for 84 regular recruit intakes around 10th October, and we intend to close it by 2nd of December. And the Chief of Army Staff, in his magnanimous manner, the forms for the recruitment is free for every citizen. So I want to also implore you to pass the message down that nobody, no citizens is expected to pay any amount for him or her to be recruited into the Nigerian Army. No citizens is also to pay for the cost of training at the Nigerian Army Training Depot. One other consequences of Rivers State and other states not filling their vacancies is with time. When these recruits go for training and they pass out from depot, the career progression starts from there. And just like the civil service, at the stage this state will not be represented at a time that promotion to higher ranks will be available. And the easiest thing to come out of that when promotions are released is that why are people from so-so state not represented in this promotion? The truth is, the citizens from that state did not fill in their quota, and just like the civil service, it's not everyone that will rise to the pinnacle. The more citizens you have, the more the chances of them meeting up. We had a situation where during the promotion exams we conducted in some promotion exams, some states don't have any candidate, and that will surely elicit some comment. So it is in that regard that we're here in Rivers State to assure you that the indigenes of this state have equal opportunity like all other citizens from other states to join the Nigerian Army and have a progressive and professional career in the Nigerian Army. We have come with some flyers to assist the state in terms of what are the requirements, because one of the major issues we have is that sometimes some of the citizens don't fill in the forms correctly. There are criteria in filling the forms. There are requirements which every citizen is supposed to fill. Once that is not done, then right from the onset, the computer-generated inviting people for the interview will reject such person's name. So we want to enlighten the citizens, of course, through the government and the good people and all the relevant stakeholders on the need for the youth, both male and female, to join the Nigerian Army. And we look forward to receiving more support. We want to thank you and the government of the state for the support you have been giving the Nigerian Army. I want to say that for me, looking back, having served here as the General Officer commanding this division, I know the support I received from the government of the state, and I believe my colleagues are also receiving the same support. But today, we're talking about recruitment to the Nigerian Army. We want to see that Rivers State fill in their quota in the next recruitment exercise. So then finally, I want to thank you for taking time to receive us at this short notice, and we look forward to further engagement. I want to thank you, and God bless.
Actually, I must tell you, we have, but we at this level and our people, generally we feel that maybe there is, I don't know why our people are not benefiting enough from this. There may not be shouting, but that's the feeling out there that we don't get enough as others are getting. That's how our people feel. So now to come and hear that maybe one of the reasons is because our people are not doing it right, I feel very bad, and thank God, Bruce, you are here. director admin, you are here, farm secretary. Yeah. Because it's good, you are the one who normally is supposed to inform and enlighten the people. If our people don't know what to do, and for that reason we are missing out, then the government needs to do more. That is the meaning. And who is government? Well, the government is not just the government. It's you, the technocrats here, who have been doing this work, who should do it. So I want you to see it as a very big challenge. What the general has told us this morning should be a major challenge to us. Because we cannot be here and then opportunities come and our people, out of ignorance, maybe are unable to utilize the opportunity. When there are job seekers everywhere, if you just step out here, you see boys hanging around everywhere. They are telling you they are looking for work. Push them to where they should get the work. And if the military is available, why not? Let it be that they are the ones who are not willing. Not that either that they don't know that there are opportunities, or that they don't know how to take advantage of these opportunities. So our work is to let them know that there are opportunities. That's first. And two, let them know what it takes to harness those opportunities. And if we don't do that, we are failing. So please, as soon as we finish here now, because we usually, once we get information, usually we write to the local governments, informing them, and then make announcements. And in informing them, you must make sure what the needs, the requirements, because you had it. Not that people did not apply from what he told us. They applied, but with the shortcomings, automatically they are even disqualified before the screening starts. So if they are properly enlightened, maybe we won't have that problem. I thought the problem we should be having is that we have too many and we cannot get as many as we want. Not that we are not even taking advantage of our chances. We're entitled to 120 and we will only send in 83. It's not good at all for the state. In every segment, we should be properly represented, and that is the work of government. We must provide the enabling environment, the enlightenment for our people to harness opportunities. But this is recruitment, particularly recruitment and NTA. These are things we are looking for everything. And people come here actually, particularly the NTA. A lot of times they come here, a lot of them do look, they have applied, they don't have the opportunity. And we keep wondering. Sometimes, before the garrison commander, before you came, when the other garrison commander, Mohammed, Manja, when he was here, defense college. When he was here, occasionally, when they come and come, I don't know who, because the people, when they come, they think as government, as SSD, you must know the people, and they will tell you, oh, they have applied, they are qualified. So sometimes we call the garrison commander, and garrison commander will say, well, okay, they should do this, they should do that. Let us see whether it will work. So I want to thank you and assure you on our part immediately now for this ongoing exercise. We will start enlightenment, we reach all the local governments, ensure that they know what to do so that they apply properly and we get our chances. Please, any opportunity for this regular recruitment, for admissions into NDAs to become commissioned officers, please always let us know. Our people are very desirous to have these opportunities. We are very desirous. We love the military. We want our own. We have not been able to join in our time, but our younger ones should have the opportunity. Because if they don't join now, like you said, when the time comes to have generals, how do we get them?
Or master or rank officers.
Or any of those positions, how do you get them? If you don't, because what stops people sometimes? The entrance stage, the physical exertion may be tasking. So people are afraid at that stage. But they know that when you get to the top and they call you this big rank, they are very happy to have it. So we want to have military officers in the Army, in the Navy, in the Air Force, all of them. And we will do, as a government, we will do everything we can do to ensure that our people come out to be selected. And we have more than enough qualified people to be part of it. So I want to thank you for what you have done, sir. Before you go, sir, we will take your number so that we have the guys in commander's number. So that sometimes if they come and we are at our wit's end, we will call for direction. And because sometimes they come and the officers here, sometimes they too, for me, they are unable to do what they should do. I'm very grateful for this visit. I'm grateful that you have this spirit to ensure that all of us are not all-inclusive, country. And that's what our constitution says, federal character. You ensure that every segment of the country is included, is brought to the table to be part of it. And that's what you are trying to do, sir. And we are grateful. I would say that God will bless you and keep it up. Thank you, and God bless you.